Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today my Beautylish Fukubukuro Lucky Bag is here. This is the Beautylish 2022 Lucky Bag. So let's see if I'm truly lucky this year. Hey, I know. I told you guys last year that I wasn't gonna get this bag again. I don't think it's worth $90. Sorry. Would I do this again? Probably not. But I'm a sucker for these lucky bags, these Fukubukuro lucky bags. If you guys don't know what this is, it's an honored tradition in Japan. They do it every January of each year. Many retailers in Japan sell their products for like half off. So for example, if you spent $100, there would be $200 worth of items in the bag. Although the catch is you don't know what's inside. So you could be super lucky and really get like up to that maximum amount, double the amount or more. It's kind of a sign of good luck for businesses in Japan. And so now it's so fun that we get to do it here in the US, right? So Fukubukuro bag, Beautylish has it. Beautylish is an online makeup store where you can buy the latest launches in makeup. So anything that comes out new, they have the brand name, Luxe products, everything that you could think of in makeup, they also have it. I rarely shop at Beautylish because I feel like I can get my makeup fix from Sephora and Ulta, but Beautylish has a lucky bag, and so I had to get it. I had to try my luck on it. So let's go ahead and open this up. When you open this up, look at that. I love this design. It looks like a very festive Chinese New Year kind of design, right? So pretty. I love this colorful, like it gets me so excited. It has the black, but also it's very colorful. And then it has the tag right here with the letter B sticker, but you have that tag that says Lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The sisha on this year's lucky bag are known as guardians in Okinawa, Japan. They are said to ward off evil spirits while keeping good spirits in. We hope the surprises invite you to leave the bad behind and take the good with you for 2022. How appropriate. Like, I love that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't want to rip the tissue paper. It's so pretty. Okay, so this is what the tag looks like right there. And so I guess these are called sishas, and they're supposed to ward off bad spirits and keep the good spirits in. So that's exactly what we want. Cleanse the home with negative energy and leave the positive energy. So I am so for it. Super excited for this. Okay, so last year I wasn't so lucky, but we'll see if this year, you know, my luck has changed. We've got the black tissue paper. Oh gosh, another black tissue paper. And the products are in here, guys. So let's see. Let's go ahead and admire this beautiful tissue box. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Super pretty. Wow. Super cute. I've been keeping it as like a souvenir kind of thing. So I think I'm going to keep this as well. Oh my gosh. I already saw something that I wish I got last year. And now it's in this bag. Oh my gosh! Let's start with this one. I feel like it's a joke because why? I know Beautylish sells all kinds of makeup, but Ardell. I was not happy with getting Ardell last year. This says natural. Never used it. I'm not a big fan of lashes, I have to say. I feel like it's not very flattering on me. I don't know, even though this one says natural, I don't know if it can work for me. But Ardell is like, I'm guessing this is like $3 or $5. So, you know, very inexpensive. Not quite the best start when it comes to the lucky bag. But I will take it. Okay, next one is a good one. Sonia G, guys. Ooh, Sonia G smudger brush. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Sonia G is a very luxe, high quality brand super soft, and it's gonna be a smudger brush, which I love. Like, I need a new smudger brush to replace my e.l.f. one, although this is equally as good, guys. I mean, this e.l.f. one is super. I've had it for so long. I rarely find smudger brushes that doesn't over smudge, right? That doesn't like go too low under my lash line. So let's see how precise this is. I love that monochromatic and the color. Sonia G right there. Guys, I'm saving the best for last. Yee! Okay, next one is the Hero line or Hero Hero line. I don't know what it is. In Dosh Cosmetics. So it's made from Dubai. Comment down below if you've heard of this brand. It looks very luxe. Oh my gosh. Look at the packaging. Super pretty packaging. It's an eyeliner. Yee, okay, I needed a new eyeliner. I don't do eyeliners often, but when I do, I need a really precise one because I'm not the best at it. But I'm so glad I got this. Let's see if this is waterproof or smudge proof. We'll give it time to dry and then we'll check it again later. The next item is a towel scrunchie for your sweaty, salty, wet hair. Who has? I'm not gonna admit that I have salty hair. Okay. Well, this packaging feels amazing. It's a super absorbent microfiber scrunchie, reduces the drying time. I love the pouch. Definitely reusable. Let's see. It does feel very luxe. It's like a towel. It's so soft. This is by the brand kit.sch. I've never really put up my hair wet before, like to put it in a scrunchie, so I'm not sure what that's about. I need to read more about it. If you guys know about a towel scrunchie, let me know how to use it, because I like to air dry my hair. I don't like to put it in a bun when it's wet, so we'll see. And I got two. Very nice. I wish they were kind of different colors, you know? I promise the last three is gonna wow you guys. Okay, first off, Good Molecules. A lot of people love this skincare line. I personally haven't had a lot of experience with Good Molecules. I have used their dark spot corrector and it's amazing. I mean, it's not like quick results, but the results are there. Like, I can tell it's a good one, like it's doing something, you know? This one is a glycolic exfoliating toner, so I'm excited about this. Definitely full size. I'm guessing this is around like $15 to $20. Like, Good Molecules is around $20 or less. It's actually a brand by Beautylish, I believe. And let's see. Okay, it's sealed, which is good. I'm not gonna open it yet. Let's see how this compares with my pharmacy exfoliating toner, because that is one of my favorite ones. If you want to see my latest skincare routine for the winter, check out this video right here or over here, or I'll link it down below. But I did talk about the pharmacy. We'll see if Good Molecules can beat this out. Next item, guys, is by Wayne Goss. Okay, it's my first Wayne Goss. This is in the color Walnut. It's a lipstick. I'm not sure if this is full size, guys. I'm going to look it up and let you know if this is actually full size. Okay, guys, I did the research, and the full size on the Wayne Goss is 0.4 grams or 0.14 ounces, and we got the 0.3 grams or 0.11 ounces. So I don't know if it's just a typo, but it seems like we got a smaller, slightly smaller size. So nice if this was full size. I think it is, but I don't know. So this is a standard lipstick, right? Bullet, and like Maybelline. Okay, so it's still smaller. Like, it looks a little small in my opinion. Look at that. I did not expect sample sizes in this box at all. So I'm hoping this is full size by Wayne Goss. Oh my gosh, so pretty. The color is walnut. It has the brand name written on the actual packaging, and then there's the color. Oh my gosh, this is my kind of color. I want to use it so badly right now and tell you guys what the formula is, but I will either put it on the screen here somewhere and let you guys know. I need to take pictures. Like, I can't. Like, when I saw that, it was like the perfect icing on the cake. And then the last item, guys, is the newest, I think it's the newest palette. Comment it down below. Natasha Denona palette! Oh my gosh! I have been waiting so long to get a Natasha Denona palette. I don't own any, guys. There's so many other palettes that I want to try and I want to use, and I'm very picky with getting palettes because I don't like to get dupes of everything. If you look at my palette collection, a lot of them aren't very similar to one another. Like, there's distinct differences or a color that's totally different from what I already own, so that way I don't overbuy, you know, a whole lot of eyeshadow palettes. But this one, oh my gosh, I believe this is the newest palette that Natasha has right now. And if it is, wow, I got it. I finally have one. Okay, I can't open it. Moment of truth. I don't even know what this retro palette looks like. But just by the color of it, oh my gosh, it is pretty. Look at that. You can see all of my secrets. I love that the Natasha Denona palette has like refillable pans, so you can just push, you know, any of the eyeshadows that you use a lot and just buy that one shadow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, guys. Gorgeous. Yes. Yes, yes. It's like the palette made for me. Like, if I were to create my own palette, this would be it. I gravitate towards these reds, raspberry, pink colors. You've got the neutral shades. I've got the light shade. I've got a darker, deeper, you know, matte shades. And this one, oh my gosh, I can't stop staring at it. I'm very intrigued with this very taupey brown color. Wow. The word is wow. So thank goodness I waited. I'm so happy with this. Okay. So guys, let's check this. It did not move at all, guys. Not bad. And I have a lot of lotions on my hand right now, so not bad. This looks like a very good waterproof eyeliner. The total of my box is right here, guys. The box was, I believe, $75. Unfortunately, you do have to pay shipping. So I think everything added up, including tax, was like around $90. And you're supposed to get products in this box worth $150 or more. I feel like I got my money's worth. Of course, I want it to be over $150, right? To really get my money's worth. But the products in here is what made it really worth it. So I think I'm lucky this year. Compared to last year, it was like, no. But this year, I think I'm truly lucky. I got the Natasha Denona palette. I got Good Molecules skincare. I got a scrunchie. I've got a Sonia G brush. I've got this Hero line eyeliner. I've got the Wayne Goss lipstick and the Ardell. Let's not count this. Like, I don't know. I think I got an amazing value. And you know what it is? It's such a good variety, and I feel like I can use all of them, guys. So that is everything in my box, guys. What do you guys think? Comment it down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxings here and there. So definitely check out my videos. Check out my Tatcha Fukubukuro lucky bag. So I've got a skincare lucky bag, and I've got this beauty and makeup lucky bag for you guys to see. Definitely check that video out. I'll link it in the description. If you aren't yet subscribed to my channel, what are you guys doing? Hit that subscribe button, join this beauty community. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye!